Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we are discussing the advanced coding questions for TCS, Ninja and TCS Digital. This is highly beneficial for 2022 batch and also 2021 batch. Let's go to the question. This is the question. Given a sequence of integers n integers p1, p2, p3, etc. up to pn, that is n elements, where each element is distinct satisfies condition, that is each element must be between the value from 1 to n. The value of each element must be between 1 to n. For each x where 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to n, that is x equal to 1 to n, find any integer y such that it satisfies the condition p of y is equal to x, that is p of y is equal to x. We need to find the value of y which satisfies this condition, and then print the value of y on a new line. So let's look the input and output format. The input format, the first line of the input format is n, that is the number of elements. Then we have to enter the elements, that is, for example, suppose for n is equal to 2, then we have to enter, then the next line we enter for 2. We have to enter the elements in a space separated integers, like that means we have to input these elements to an array. That is the concept. And the output format is that print the value of y which satisfies this condition, that is p of y is equal to x. Then print y, a y value which satisfies this condition, and we must print it on the new line. So let's understand this question with an example. Here n is equal to 3 and we input the elements at 2, 3, 1, and we inputting these elements to an array called p. P is the array, and sample output given is a 2, 3, 1 in a separated in a new line. Let's look into that how it comes. For x equal to 1, x equal to 1 means take the one value. The value 1 is in the third position of p, that is which is congruent, which is equal to p of 3. Then find where the 3 value occurs in the second position, that is p of 2 is equal to 3. So we can write p of 2 is equal to 1. That is, here p of 2 means 3, then p, here 3 comes, p of 3 is 1. So here the y value is 2. Then in the output, here is the output 2 will be printed. For the next iteration, that is x equal to 2 value comes in the first position, which is equal to p of 1. Then check where 1 value comes. 1 comes in the third position, that is p of 3 is equal to 1. So we can write p of 3 is equal to 2. So the y value will be 3. Then 3 will be printed. For the next iteration, that is x equal to 3. 3 value is in the second position, that is p of 2. Then find where is the 2 value 2 in the first position, that is p of 1 is equal to 2, isn't it? So we can write p of 1 is equal to 3. P of 1 means 2, then P of 2 is 3. So 3 will be the output. So here the y value is what? 1. Y is equal to 1. Then 1 will be printed. And one more thing we have to keep in mind that we have to keep this output in an array and then print the array elements. Okay, I hope you have understood with this example. Let's go to the coding part. I will be doing this coding part in Java. Java is very simple. That's why I used. Before going to the logic session, we have to import some packages or some classes. For that, I use import java.util.scanner. The scanner class is for inputting the elements. Then scanner sc is equal to scanner system.in. Then we inputting the element, that is int n is equal to c dot next int. So we have inputted the number of elements here. Then initialize an array, that is p equal to new int with the element size of n plus 1. Then we entering an for loop, that is int x equal to 1, x less than or equal to n, and x plus plus. Then we initialize a variable called px. Px is used for inputting the elements, that is sc dot next int. Then we inputting the x value to the px position. Then close the scanner object. So till now we have inputted, we have entered the number of elements and elements. Now we have to check the condition and print the value of y. For that I use a for loop int x equal to 1, x less than or equal to n, x plus plus. For that I initialize a variable int y is equal to p of x. This is the condition, p of x equal to y. Then print y value. So this is the code for our question. I hope everyone understood this. Let's go to the more explanation of this code. Okay guys, this is the code for the question, and here comes first we input the number of elements, that is n. Keep in mind we are using the example n is equal to 3 and elements 2 3 1. Here n is equal to 3, then we initialize a array and iterating through the loop, that is initialize a variable px for inputting the element, that is p of x, p of px equal to x. That means p of, suppose I enter 2, p of 2 is equal to x value will be 1, so p of 2 will be 1. I like 1 2 3, this is the position. P of 2 value is 1. Then next iteration, that is x equal to 2, x equal to 2, sorry, and for x equal to 2, here the px will be 3, this element, and then p of x, that is p of 3 equal to 2, p of 3 equal to 2. In the same case, here 3 comes, and then we finding, then we check the condition, that is p of y is equal to x. This is the condition that we are checking, and I already explained that for x equal to 1, for x equal to 1, p of 2 equal to 1. So here the y is 2. Then in the output 2 will be printed, like for 3 and 1. So the output will be 2, 3, 1 in a new line. So this is the code. This is one of the question that asked in the last year. So keep in mind, keep this question more important. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.